Hello, this is the Dividing Fractions practice video to get your skills up to speed. Alright, so what you need to do is follow along, take these notes, and listen very carefully and practice so that you can pass the quiz at the end. To divide fractions, we need to first of all change division to multiplication, and then also change the divisor, the second fraction, to the reciprocal. So we're going to change the 10 and the 1, put the 10 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator. And now we're going to multiply. Now, before we multiply, make sure you cancel any common factors. I can see here that 5 and 10 will cancel. 5 goes into itself one time and goes twice into 10. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish by multiplying straight across. So the numerators, I have 3 times 2, which is 6. Denominator is 1 times 1, which is 1. So the answer is 6 over 1, or just the number 6. Alright, our next example. Again, to solve this, we were going to multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. So switch 4 and 9. Okay, do you see what we can cancel? Okay, good. Let's cancel then. Cancel 3 into itself one time, and it goes 3 times into 9. Cancel 4 into itself one time, and it goes twice into 8. Now we can multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. So there's our answer. Alright, before we can divide this time, what do you think we need to do first? If you said change 5½ to an improper fraction, you're correct. So let's do that. 5 times 2 is 10, then add 1. That makes 11. So this is 11 over 2. Now we're going to multiply by reciprocal. So switch the 4 and the 3. Okay, do you see what we can cancel? Yes, we can cancel 2 and 4. Because 2 goes twice into 4. Now let's multiply straight across. 11 times 2 is 22. 1 times 3 is 3. You can leave your answer this way, or if you write it as a mixed number, it would be 7 and 1/3. Okay, one more example. What do we need to do first? Yes, change 3 1/8 to an improper fraction. Go ahead and do that. Okay, what do you get? Okay, you should get 25 over 8. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Now let's multiply by reciprocal. So it's 4 over 5. Okay, go ahead and cancel common factors. 4 cancels into 8, good. 5 cancels into 25. Now let's multiply straight across. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. So 5 over 2, or, as a mixed number, 2½. Alright, here is the self-quiz. Now, I want you to do all 4 problems on your own without going to the next slide. Okay, so in other words, you need to pause your screen, write these down, work them out, look at the previous notes and examples that we did. Work each one out carefully, making sure to look for common factors to cancel. When you think you're done, restart the video to check your answers. And if you do well on this quiz, that means you're prepared to come in and show me that you can divide fractions and to get credit for that, to raise your Bellwork score. Alright, so pause that video now. Welcome back from pausing the video. We're now ready to go over the answers. Now if you restarted the video by accident and you're not done with the quiz, pause it again, because I'm going to go to the next slide with all the answers. Okay, here we go. All right, so here are the answers for the problems. Number 1 was 1. Number 2 is 3 over 2 or 1.5 as a mixed number. 3 is also 1.5. And 4 was 2. Okay, so how'd you do? Okay, I hope you did really well. If not, watch the video again and practice. And then come see me to raise your Bellwork quiz score. And remember, read some books.